Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving deep into the world of TikTok monetization. You're creating awesome content, getting those likes and comments, but are you making money? If not, you're in the right place. We're going to break down all the ways you can turn your TikTok passion into profit. First things first, TikTok isn't just for lip syncing and funny dances anymore. It's become a powerhouse platform for creators, influencers, and businesses alike. Whether you're looking to build a personal brand or just make some extra income, there are plenty of ways to cash in, but you've got to know how to leverage the platform correctly. So let's go through the top ways you can make money. 1. TikTok's Creator Fund. Let's start with the most obvious one, Creator Fund. This is like TikTok's way of thanking content creators on the platform. The TikTok Creator Fund pays you for your video views, and it's open to anyone over 18 with at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. Now, the pay-per-view isn't a lot, around 2 to 4 cents per 1,000 views, but it adds up, especially if you have viral content or consistently high engagement. To maximize your earnings from the Creator Fund, focus on creating viral content, posting regularly, and engaging with your audience. And here's a little tip for you. Remember, it's not just about quantity, quality matters too. The algorithm rewards videos that keep people watching, so focus on hooking your audience within the first few seconds. 2. Brand partnerships. Next up, brand partnerships. As your TikTok grows, brands will start to notice you. So if you've built a niche audience, whether it's beauty, fitness, or tech, companies will want to tap into your influence. Now, how do you land brand deals? Start by engaging with brands you genuinely like and tagging them in your posts. Some brands will reach out directly, while others use influencer marketing platforms like Ainfluencer. The more engaged your audience is, the better your chances. Make sure your sponsored content doesn't feel too salesy. The key is to keep it authentic and blend the brand seamlessly into your content. 3. Affiliate marketing. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Imagine recommending your favorite products and getting paid every time someone buys through your special link. For example, if you're a fashion guru, show off your outfits and link the pieces. Someone buys that killer jacket, you get a cut. It's about building trust with your audience by recommending stuff you genuinely love. There are a ton of affiliate programs out there, and TikTok makes it super easy to share affiliate links in your bio or even within your videos. Just make sure you're recommending products you genuinely believe in and that fit with your audience's interests. Here's a pro tip. Use TikTok's link in bio feature strategically. Have your best affiliate products featured there and mention them in your videos. It's all about making that link easy for your audience to access. Now let me introduce you to an easy-to-use affiliate marketing platform that simplifies everything for both brands and content creators.
Are you an Amazon seller dreaming of explosive sales growth? Tired of struggling to reach new customers? You're not alone. Scaling your Amazon business can be tough, but what if there was a secret weapon? Introducing Algorift, the all-in-one Amazon affiliate platform that connects you with over 100,000 eager affiliates ready to promote your products across the web. Imagine this: a massive army of influencers and content creators, all working to drive traffic and sales directly to your Amazon listings. With Algorift, this dream becomes a reality. Algorift simplifies the entire Amazon affiliate marketing process. Simply connect your Amazon account, sync your products, and set your personalized commission rates. Then invite top-notch affiliates to join your program, all within the Algorift platform. No more messy spreadsheets, complicated tracking links, or juggling multiple platforms. Algorift.ai handles it all. You can chat directly with your affiliates, negotiate personalized commissions, and manage all your payments in one convenient place. Ready to maximize the power of affiliate marketing? Visit Algorift.ai today and claim your free trial. Algorift.ai. Connect, collaborate, conquer.
4. TikTok Shop. Next, the game changer, TikTok Shop itself. TikTok Shop is also an emerging option for creators, and it's available in some regions. You can sell your own products directly on the platform, and TikTok has rolled out in-app shopping features that make it easy to create and promote your own shop. Whether you're selling merchandise, digital products, or anything in between, the platform allows your audience to purchase directly from your videos. If you're not already, consider creating your own products, anything from branded clothing to digital downloads, and start promoting them through your TikTok channel. Your followers are your best customers. While TikTok Shop is great for direct sales within the social media environment, we suggest you try Brand ID app to take everything to the next level. Instead of being a full-fledged marketplace, Brand ID focuses on giving you greater control, more tools, and deeper insights. Using this tool, you can build a custom, branded landing page to centralize all your links in one place. By creating a free account on this platform, you can benefit from many more advanced features, such as building your own online shop and listing your products, selling personalized videos and audios, setting billboards, and even asking your followers to pay for a subscription. And the best part? You can track how well each of these is performing using Brand ID's detailed analytics. These are, of course, only a few of the features that this platform offers. I'm not going to go through the details in this video, but I'll definitely do another video and introduce all of Brand ID's features. Until then, visit brandid.app and build your own page. It's super easy to work with. 5. UGC. Don't underestimate the power of UGC, user-generated content. Brands love UGC because it feels more authentic and you get paid for the exposure it generates. Offer your services to create engaging videos showcasing their products. Then, you'll see that a skincare brand, for example, might pay you to film your morning routine using their products. UGC builds your portfolio and makes you a sought-after creator. Sex coaching. Do you have a specific area of expertise or a niche you're passionate about? Turn that knowledge into a coaching business. If you've mastered TikTok dances, for example, you can offer one-on-one coaching or group workshops to teach others how to perfect their moves. Or if you're great at video editing, consider creating tutorials or even an online course to teach aspiring creators your skills. Coaching is a fantastic way to monetize your experience while helping others grow and succeed. Whether through personalized sessions, group workshops, or pre-recorded courses, you can share your expertise and earn money by guiding others to achieve their goals. 7. TikTok Live. Moving on to TikTok Live. Once again, you can use Brand ID to do this. You can build a custom jump page that allows you to sell things like ebooks, videos, audio content, downloadable resources, and even offer services like booking appointments, classes, or workshops. This gives you the flexibility to monetize a wide range of content and connect with your audience in a more direct way. Going live on TikTok is not only a great way to engage with your followers in real time, but you can also make money through virtual gifts. Fans can send you gifts during your live sessions, which you can later convert into cash. But it's not just about going live whenever. Plan your live streams around content that gets people excited. You could host Q&A sessions, behind-the-scenes peeks, product demos, or even challenges. The more interactive and entertaining you are, the more likely you are to receive gifts. If you're not comfortable with going live on TikTok or you just don't want to, for whatever reason, you can receive tips and funds via your link in bio using Brand ID that we talked about earlier. So there you have it, folks. A treasure trove of TikTok monetization strategies. From the creator fund to brand partnerships, the possibilities are endless. The key is to experiment, find what resonates with your audience, and stay consistent. Don't be afraid to try new things and adapt to the ever-changing TikTok landscape. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more TikTok tips, and share your monetization ideas in the comments below. Now go out there and turn your TikTok passion into profit.